y'all, how y'all doing? I pray this video finds you in good health, surrounded by good, real, fruitful love, a kind love in all areas of your life, and peace that makes you always feel at home. Today's vlog is a Monday motivation and a little different. Before I pull my Aaliyah and turn the music up some more, I think today's video is just about showing up for yourself, even when you don't want to. Right now, I'm learning to keep the promises I made to myself, no matter how small. If I tell myself I'm going to do something, no matter how hard that something may be, I'ma do it. I'll be tired, I'll be punching the air, I'm definitely gonna cry, especially when I feel like giving up. But I want to not only believe in God, but in myself.
Junior wants to not be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior wants to not be on my, Junior wants to not be on my, tell him this, did he miss, Junior wants to not be on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior wants to not be on my, Junior wants to not be on my, all summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and hours, like we planned it, Junior wants to not be on my, Junior wants to not be on my, tell him this, did he miss, Junior wants to not be on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior wants to not be on my, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, we took both, we took both. Hey, stop posting!
Bruh.
Now my talent, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they gon' tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is thunder, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my, move out of the way of my release.
I feel like I have to tell myself that I'm sorry for not being kinder and believing in myself more, for not showing up for myself when I really needed it the most. And honestly, for not always showing up for myself when I could have been my own friend. Don't be too busy being everyone else's friend and you forget that you're your own best friend and cheerleader and mascot and #1 MVP player on the team. Stop being your enemy. Stop overthinking. So I'll say this, then I'll get off, let y'all enjoy the music and turn my music up. Whatever you may be going through, show up for yourself, little by little or more by more. Keep your word and promises you have in your heart. You know yourself better than anyone does. Push yourself within reason. And when you no longer can do that, just stop, breathe, and regroup. Identify and pursue your goals. Nothing's ever too small or too big. You just gotta have a little faith. So, take that faith, put it in God, in the process, and in yourself. It's not easy, but only you will know if it's worth it. I'm still trying. I still got a long way to go, and I'm tired just thinking about it. I pray that wherever we end up, you and me, that we make ourselves proud. Not only because of the journey we had to take to get to where we want to be at, but because we did it. Hope that we find happiness and be at peace with everything that we've done in this life. Even if we struggle and have our doubts, it's just important to just never give up. Show up for yourself. Make promises that you are determined to keep. That's all, y'all. Enjoy the rest of the music, enjoy the vibes, and enjoy everything else that life has to offer. Much love.
All the niggas gotta watch your time, this is flying right. Too tight, baby girl, you know me.
I remember when this used to be the thing back in the day, like 2016, or like, maybe even a little bit further, like Airspun. You could never find this in the store. And it looks like it may still be a thing because it only got like 3 left, so.
Yeah.
Work. To me, I feel work. See me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk a line.
Nope.
Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the rice. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave for decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to keep me.
Cooking with Brooke Show. I like it. Let's keep it.
Ooh, wee. Yo. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only 2, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only 2, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, hey. Yeah, but I can see my petty reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. 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 Fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like we translate. You got issues that I mention for now, cause we're falling apart.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna.